Supporters don't see Supreme Court Justice Inyang Okoro and the Edo State Attorney General Honorable Samson Osagie for Protea Hotel for Benin City. Welcome, country people, to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, Justice Inyang Okoro of the Supreme Court, they say on Thursday evening for Protea Hotel for Benin City, Edo State, in the company of the Edo State Attorney General, Honorable Samson Osagie. According to the credible source when he bring the information, they see the two of them when they leave the hotel and they on their way to meet Governor Monday Okoro. People come dey worried because the justice, according to rumor, e dey lobby make they appoint am as chairman of the Supreme Court panel when he go hear the appeal when he dey challenge Governor Okoro electoral victory. The source come talk say the meeting between the Attorney General and the Supreme Court Justice take place late on Thursday night, and they dey facilitate am to establish direct contact with the governor. For one video when Sahara reporters claim say they obtain, e come dey show where Justice Okoro for the hotel lobby he approach the reception desk, although the footage no dey conclusive because of the distance and the image quality. Justice Okoro currently dey sit on Nigerian Supreme Court, and he don preside over numerous high-profile political and electoral cases. On Friday, one Professor Chidi Odinkalu, na prominent human rights lawyer and a former chairman of the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC), he don allege for one post for im X account wey e be Twitter. He say a senior male justice of the Supreme Court dey see am when e dey leave the Protea Hotel for Benin City around 8 p.m. and na the State Attorney General Osagie na im dey escort am. According to am, he say 3 days ago on 10 June at Igodalo appealed to at Supreme Court Nigeria against the decision of at Court of Appeal Nigeria in the governorship petition. And so Odinkalu write. In the query why the Attorney General go dey with the Supreme Court judge when e be say the case between the governor and the PDP candidate for the last election, they just file am for Supreme Court. E come dey say how so? The suggestion say a sitting Supreme Court justice go fit dey engage with parties when e dey linked to a pending case, when e dey spark concern among legal observers and civic groups. E dey stress the importance to preserve judicial neutrality for electoral adjudication. The case when e dey challenge Governor Okoro election, expectation dey say Supreme Court go decide am in the coming weeks as the Election Petition Tribunal and the Court of Appeal don hear and take their decision. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the governorship candidate Aswe Igodalo, they filed petition to challenge the election of Governor Okpewolo of the All Progressives Congress for September 21, 2024 Edo State governorship election. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) e don declare Okpewolo the winner with 291,667 votes. It defeated Igodalo, who secured 247,274 votes. The Edo Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, when Justice Wilfred Kpochi lead, it dismissed the PDP petition on April 2nd, 2025. A rule say the party failed to prove allegations of overvoting and electoral non-compliance. The tribunal hold say the petition has not presented sufficient evidence, including polling unit agents and presiding officers, to substantiate their claims. They are not satisfied with the tribunal verdict. PDP and Igodalo can appeal the decision. The Court of Appeal for Abuja, for their judgment when they deliver on May, they can upheld Okpewolo election. They can dismiss PDP appeal. The appeal court can rule say PDP failed to establish miscarriage of justice. It can confirm wetin the tribunal talk. Following the appeal court ruling, Governor Okpewolo can celebrate im victory. He can talk say PDP does suffer repeated electoral setbacks. He can express confidence say in administration he go continue to develop Edo State and dismiss allegation say the PDP mandate dey stiffer. But Igodalo say no, he go still challenge the ruling from Supreme Court. Edo State Attorney General Samson Osagie, when newsmen reach am, he deny. He say he no ever meet Justice Okoro for any point for im life. He come state say, why you dey ask me that strange question? He say to be honest, he no even know the justice. He say he know say he get judge for Supreme Court when he get that name, but he no get any personal relationship with am. Osagie come also talk say he no dey aware of any justice wey dey lobby to be part of the Supreme Court panel when he go address the election matters. The newspaper, they try to obtain response from Justice John Okoro regarding the allegations, but he not succeed. Although he initially replied the reporter message, he can't cease communication after he see the video, and when they question him about his alleged effort to join the Supreme Court panel for the Edo election case. He can also ignore multiple calls when he seek comment on the matter. But Odikalu post, it does spark online reactions, including criticisms when they direct to the judiciary. This Chidi Odikalu, he be like spotter, because also the other time he see raise alarm about Wike and the Court of Appeal head. The other time too, he talk about Wike for Calabar and one judge too. I don't know how until they know wetin the judges them they look for. Because as a judge, if a judge they come a state, maybe because of the respect they get for am, if a senior government official, maybe the Attorney General go meet am, e no be dey out of place. But the conspiracy theory when they attach to the matter now, well, it's possible say it could be true, but then there's also the possibility say na just a figment of mere imagination. Say if the judge come Benin at this time, nobody even know whether na from Benin. So if the judge come Benin at this time, then it must get to do with the election tribunal matter. I think say that one na wide allegations, and we not go just because of a judge when he come hotel, then maybe the Attorney General did there Then the conclusion. No, there are, I think they are learned men, as they call themselves. They know say they be the shinozo of all eyes. I be waiting on think of this matter.